Hello students, good afternoon. Welcome to chemistry class. Today in this class we will discuss about the chapter periodic table. The periodic table. So in this chapter we will discuss about the classification of elements, that is known as the periodic table. So let us start the introduction. So elements, an element is the basic unit of matter, and they are pure substances made up of one kind of atom and cannot be broken down into simpler substances. So an element is a basic unit which is exist in pure form and cannot be divided or broken into simpler substances. There are today about 118 elements discovered. So far, elements are made up of two identical atoms. Example, an element iron is made up of only one type of atom, that is iron atoms. Okay, so in an element there are only single type of atoms are present and they are called as elements. Elements had to be properly classified, and the best classification is one which puts together those elements which show maximum resemblance and separate the others. So why we are going to classify the elements? Because on the classification of elements, the classification has been done on the basis of their maximum resemblance and the properties of elements with other type of elements. So basic classification of elements is early chemists attempts to classify elements on the basis of their properties, nature, characters and valency. So first one, the elements are classified on the basis of their properties, nature, character and valency. Next one is Dobereiner 1815 arranged the elements in increasing order of their atomic weight into group of three called traits. So we will discuss about it in detail in next chapter, in next page. Now come to Newlands 1864. He arranged the elements in an increasing order of their atomic weight and suggests that in a given series every elements was a repetition of the first element. So he arranged the elements like that first element is resembles the properties of first elements are resembles with the property of eighth elements. Now come to the Mendeleev's 1869. He arranged the elements in increasing order of their atomic weights in form of table and is called as periodic table, and observe that what element with similar properties appeared at regular intervals, and this is called periodicity of properties of elements. So he tells that the elements of similar properties appears at a regular interval, and this is known as periodicity of properties. And he stated that properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic weights. This was known as the periodic law, modern periodic law. Moseley, he arranged the elements in increasing order of their atomic numbers and found the atomic number is more fundamental characteristics of an element. So Moseley does the classification on the basis of their atomic number. Means in his classification he arranged the known elements on their increasing atomic number, but Mendeleev arranged the elements in their atomic weight. So there, that is the basic difference between these two. Okay, so according to him, the modern periodic law was changed to become properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. So in case of modern Mendeleev's law, it was atomic mass which can change and convert into atomic number. Okay, now come to the classification of elements and discuss all these about which we have discussed above, we will discuss here in detail. So basis of classification of the elements. So on basis of properties, valencies, metallic and non-metallic nature of elements. The above method of classification was described since elements behave both as metal as non-metal, show metallic and non-metallic nature and have their valency. So atomic weight and not properties were considered for the further classification. Okay. So in by early chemists, the elements were arranged or classified on the basis of their properties, valencies and metallic and non-metallic characters. Now come to the Dobereiner traits. So Dobereiner trait basis for the classification of elements, he arranged the elements in their increasing order of atomic weight in group of three called traits. What does it mean, the traits? So chemically analogous elements arranged in the increasing order of their atomic weight formed well marked group of three called traits, in which the atomic weight of the middle element is found to be generally the average of the atomic weights of the other two elements. So he has taken three elements and sum up the atomic weights of all these three elements and divided by 2. Then the value which come will resembles with the atomic mass of middle element of these three elements, approximately resembles. So on the basis of this, he can say that the properties of all these three elements are similar, and this is known as Dobereiner's trait law. Okay, beta. Now come to the atomic weight of the sodium is the average mean of lithium and potassium. So method was a discovered collection of elements not holding true for all elements, and properties of the elements group in traits were found not to be similar. So these are some drawbacks of this classification. Now come to the Newland's octave loop. Newland's law of octave. So he arranged the elements in their increasing order of atomic weight in series of 8. So Newland's law of octave was saying that elements when arranged in increasing order of the atomic weight show resemblance in physical and chemical properties between the eighth element and first elements. Okay, similar to the eighth and first note of the musical scale, that is sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Okay, so lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. So the property and sodium. So property of lithium and sodium will be the same for second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. So you can say the eighth property of the eighth element is similar to the property of the first element. So both these elements are placed in the same group. Okay. So the 8 elements from lithium to sodium and from fluorine to chlorine which show similar in properties. Similarities in properties. The method showed odd grouping and failed. Method showed odd grouping and failed. Leave spaces undiscovered elements, and method of classification showed meaning with light metals, example lithium and sodium, but failed with heavy metals beyond K. So 8 elements, 3 fluorine chlorine can be arranged, but undiscovered elements, for undiscovered element there is no condition, and it is useful for light element like lithium sodium, but for heavy metals like potassium it cannot work. So these are two drawbacks due to which this law also fails. Okay. Now come to the Mendeleev's contribution. So basis of classification, he arranged the elements in the increasing order of atomic weight in the form of table called the periodic table, and this arrangement of element had which with the similar properties appearing to regular interval, and this phenomenon is called periodicity of properties, and properties which repeated themselves regular interval is called periodic properties. So Mendeleev's periodic law, the physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic weights. Okay, so he divides the periodic table into the series and groups. Series 1, 2, 3 and group first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, like that. So in group first, hydrogen, lithium and sodium are placed with beryllium, boron. So in this way he arranged the elements on the basis of their atomic number masses. Now come to the Mendeleev's contribution. So Mendeleev elements were arranged in increasing order of the atomic weight in horizontal rows called periods, and vertical columns are called groups. So the elements which are placed in horizontal rows are called period, and in vertical column called as groups. Okay, elements which are similar with respect to their chemical properties are grouped together and have atomic weight of nearly the same value. Third point, element in the same group had the same valency and similar chemical properties, and based on the periodicity of the properties, a number of gaps which left in the table. 4 undiscovered element, that is element now discovered. Example, scandium, gallium and germanium. Originally called Eka-boron, Eka-aluminium and Eka-silicon. These elements were discovered later, and they are placed that places which are left by the scientist Mendeleev. So the properties of the undiscovered elements left in the vacant gap was predicted incorrect. Atomic weights of some of the arranged elements were discovered with the knowledge of the atomic weight of the adjacent elements. So these are the characteristics of modern periodic table. Defects in periodic tables are, you can say, drawbacks of the periodic table. Anomalous pairs of elements. Certain pair of elements having higher atomic weight have been given position before the elements having the lower atomic weight. Means he placed lower atomic weight element before higher atomic weight element, and this defect disappears if the elements are arranged according to their atomic number. Okay, now positions are rare earth and actinides. He could not justify only if arranged according to their atomic numbers. About the position of the rare earth and actinides. Positions of isotopes had to be placed in the same position according to atomic number. So modern periodic law, okay, it will discuss in next video. Thank you beta, have a nice day.